All right, Sam, so where are you from?
Port Orchard, Washington.
Port Orchard, okay.
13-ish minutes from here. Yeah, I grew up here. I was born in Texas, and then my family moved up to Washington when I was little, and been in Port Orchard, Washington ever since.
Did you know when you were little that you wanted to do this kind of job?
Yes. Ever since I was little, I was always interested in woodworking. My dad showed me woodworking when I was little, and then a little bit from my grandpa, and then it just manifested into a full-time job.
When was the first time that you can remember making something out of wood? How old were you?
I think it was like about 6 or 7. I was helping my grandpa build a deck. That was like my first time doing anything with, wood that I could remember.
And then you studied it in high school?
Yes. I took wood shopping every single year in my whole school, 7th through 12th grade. Yeah, every year I just got more passionate about woodworking, and just something I knew I wanted to do for the rest of my life.
How long have you worked at RealCraft?
4 years.
What was your starting position?
My starting position was actually finishing. I was always at finishing for the whole duration of my time. So
when you say finishing, you mean like the final details, putting glass in doors and things like that?
yes, exactly.
Yeah. And why did you pick RealCraft to work for? How'd you end up here?
So my woodshop teacher, since I got hired straight out of high school, my woodshop teacher found a position at RealCraft. At the time it was Carriage, but it was RealCraft now. And he asked me if I wanted, to try out for this position. And since I was still in high school, they didn't want like a part-time person, but they made an exception for me. And so I got my interview, and I started working part-time, and this is how I got the job.
Cool. What's your favorite wood species to work with?
To work with is probably sphaly mahogany. It's really easy and it's beautiful when it gets finished and osmosis. I love the natural clear on it. It's so nice.
What's your least favorite wood species to work with?
Oof. Probably hickory. It has a lot of energy through it, so when you cut it on the table saw, it does funky things.
Oh, it has energy?
Yeah, like I don't know, like it just wants to do its own thing.
What's your favorite part of your job to do?
My favorite part is finishing the door. That's like my favorite part of the whole process. Doing the final touches on the door and then getting it sent out to the customer. Like one of the final hands on the door. Very, very nice feeling.
Does it give you a feeling of pride to know that you're finishing it?
Exactly. Someone was hanging that door at the house for everyone to see, and gives me a lot of pride and joy.
What would you do if you weren't in woodworking?
I don't know. Never really thought about that. I don't know if I could do anything else.
Well, then I think that means you're doing what you're supposed to be.